Okay, before we can start any machining using lathe machine, first of all, we need to know how to interpret the drawing. In this course, you are given a drawing and you are given a piece of block which is in cylindrical. Diameter of the block, the raw material is about 25. We have a material with diameter 25 point something, and the length of the material is about 70. So from the drawing we can understand that we have this shape which is taper shape, and the measurement here we need to make it in to a 50 degree, and from the drawing you can see this value here is written in this form. This means the angle here you have to cut to 15 degree minus 0.1 to 15 plus 0.1. That means 14.9 degree up to 15.1 degree. And another part here we have a little bit of length here, and then we have another part here, and like this 3 mm, and this one is 20 mm, and we have a measurement here written as 10 plus 0.05 minus 0.05. This means that this part we have to make it to a measurement between 9.95 until 10.05, and their measurement, another one over here which is 25 millimeters, and from this point to this point is controlled in 30 millimeters. So now from the drawing we can know that this is the critical part, and also this also the critical part, since we have the tolerance written in the drawing. Look at this area here. It's written all linear dimension without tolerance considered plus minus 0.1. That means this dimension, and this dimension, we have A, we have B, we have C here, and we have D. All A, B, C and D must be plus minus 0.1. That means in the case of this measurement here, we have to control it between 29.9 until 30.1 millimeters. Okay, and the rest is follow as this, which is all of it is must be plus minus 0.1.